Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will service the laptop. The model number of this laptop is Lenovo Yoga 714 ITL5. First, open its back panel. We'll clean the frame. Disconnect the battery. All the screws on the battery will be removed. Disconnect the mouse and keyboard and all connectors. Also, disconnect the network card and its connector. Also, disconnect the display connector. Unscrew all the screws on the logic board. Unscrew the heatsink and remove the logic board. Clean the frame thoroughly. You can also clean the back cover. Clean the battery. Unscrew the fan. You can see how much dirt there is here. Let's clean it up. After cleaning, screw the fan back in. Clean the cooling paste with the help of cotton. Clean the CPU cooling paste and apply a new cooling paste. Mount the logic board to the frame. Install the cooling fan and tighten the screw. Reconnect all connectors. Insert the network card and connect its connector. Tighten all the screws on the logic board. After connecting the SSD, we will install all the connectors. We will install the battery and tighten it. We will also install the battery connector and back panel. Turn the system on and check it. Your service and full cleaning has been done. Okay, bye. See you later.